Uh, so guys, I think I'm live. So yes, uh, what it is. Okay. Yes, we are live. So hello everyone. I hope you are doing good. So yeah, hello everyone. A happy Sunday to all of you. So yes, it's a bit hot here. So just a minute. So yes, hello everyone. Hello Vishwas. Hello. So if you have any doubts or anything like that, you can do mention them. I'll try my best to answer those if you want to. Okay, or else, as always, you can give some suggestions. We can talk regarding some random topics, anything like that. Okay, guys, but before diving in, I want to have. Okay, good. Hello, everyone. Hello, Dinesh. Hello, Mehmood. Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day, guys, since it is Sunday. So the reason why I started live like before is like at 7:30 p.m. today we are having like IPL matches are going on, right? So like most of the people won't join. So that's the reason I wanted to start this stream a bit what you call earlier. So yeah, that's fine. But guys, if don't take this wrong, like please mention your questions in English because like I'm like beginner. Okay, I'm like beginner or noob in Hindi. Okay, so like I'm from southern part of India, so like try to mention the questions in English. Okay, I'll try, like if you mention it English, I can try to resolve it better. भाई यार ओएस टॉप 10 में एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन के अलावा कैसे भी समझ नहीं आता. Sure, Dinesh. There is a series coming up, so most probably tomorrow I'll post a video on SQL injection. So no need to worry. I'll tell in the easiest way. Okay. So most what happens is like every web application has a database. So database in the sense it stores the usernames. If you take an e-commerce website, it stores stuff like what you call products, everything like that. So what you try to do is like you poke into that, you'll try to poke into that particular database. Like if you try to poke into that particular database, what you can find out is uh, like you can access not only a normal what you call a table, but also some different stuff like some sensitive stuff like users or admin, anything like that. Okay, so I'll try my best to in order to make you understand. Is there any best resources to learn web 3.0? Rohit, I too haven't even started web 3.0. So yes, if you have any, do mention here. I'll pin that in the chat. So can you tell us to open Android camera and background on watch and watch on PC? See, because of the latest Android versions, like if you take the Android 11, 12, and 13, these are mostly focused on privacy stuff. Okay, you can't it was in the previous versions, like without even their permission, you can try to access and view their camera. But now in the latest versions of Android, example 12, 11, 12, and 13, 14, you get a pop-up. Okay, not only from 11, I think so, from 8 or 9, I think so. Like there is like permissions are being enabled. Like previously the permissions are not given by default. Okay, like it doesn't require permissions in order to access the camera, but now the policies are strict, so it is not possible, I can say, if I can put that hold, but there might be a chance. Okay, please suggest. I have interest to explore the forensics. Even I too even I am interested in forensics. Okay, so in our college we had a digital forensics class. But what happened is like there are some good books, Rohit. Like I don't know what the exact book names are, but I'll try to show them. When will you will come live next time? Like every Sunday at the same time, like 6 or 7, I will be live. So no. So mostly Sunday. You can, if you can stay tuned on my Discord. Okay. So you can stay tuned on my Discord. So I'll post this stuff on the Discord. Just a minute. Share, copy, uh, all everyone. So yes, tell about recent vulnerability you learned. Dirty pipe. It's cool vulnerability. Like it affected a lot of Linux kernels. Okay, like even the latest ones. That's really awesome. Like what happened is like if you take like till like one or don't know like till. Okay, sure. Have moved. That's fine. See, even my phone was vulnerable for that vulnerability, a dirty pipe. Like I changed some modifications, I updated to the latest stuff, and it's fine now. Okay, like almost it affected almost all the systems which are having Linux kernel, which are having Linux kernel. So it's like a bit cooler. Like what happened is like I had solved few. Like what happens is like you get a privilege escalation by default easily. So whenever you get an access to the system or a phone, let us assume that you got a shell on this particular phone. So if you can if you can run that particular dirty pipe exploit on this thing, you will get a privilege escalation. Like you will get a pseudo privileges, a root kind of thing. So what happened is like if you take hack the box or try hack me, every you can almost get privilege escalation easily if it is a Linux machine. Okay, so that's cool part here. Okay, and there are many more like there are not recently I can say, but there are many stuff. Okay, hi, hello everyone. And also, guys, I want a small suggestion from you. Polkit vulnerability in Linux. I'm not sure about Polkit, but it is like dirty cow vulnerability. If you have, I hope you heard about that. Dirty cow is like one of the famous kernel exploit. So you can get give me your course Aditya. Like it is available on YouTube itself. You don't need to have any course or anything like that. You can go to Udemy or you can go to my YouTube channel, and there you can in playlist you can find out. Okay, burp suit course. Okay, mastering burp suit course, which is available for free. You don't need to pay anything. Okay, YouTube you can learn from there. The reason why I discontinued Udemy is like more people don't do stuff. Bro, your process in OSP. Yes, I'm preparing for like OSCP. So like there is much more stuff to do. Like what happened, my OSCP journey is like a bit stop and slow kind of thing. I started and then I stopped. I started and then stopped. I started during my placements, and then I stopped it because like time is not sufficient. And then uh, I started later, then my training started, like it's going on like that. But now it is fine because like it's sufficient for me to manage the stuff. So right now I'm doing OSCP part. Okay, do you do job? Yes, I'm not doing, like, I can say it's a job, but it is like training kind of thing. It is very advanced in it. In what uh, yeah, I got placed. Yes, placed. Okay, so guys, yeah, any more questions or anything like that, I'll be happy to answer. Internship, yes. Internship followed by the full time. Okay, internship followed by the full time. So yes, like India is very well advanced in IT sector. Like it is one of the top leading chain in the world, I can say, because like you can find almost everything. Okay, in India. So why finding cybersecurity jobs is hard in India, bro? Hard in the sense like you need to find choose the right stuff. Like what happens is like if you take like 90% of the jobs in cyber sector require what is called as like experience. Most of the jobs, 90 or 80%, and the rest you can get into some companies from their postings for the freshers and stuff like that. Like if you have some good skill, you can get in. That's not a big deal. Okay, but what happens is like mostly if you or like what I had seen is like you don't get much jobs. Like if you take there are n people, in what you call, who got into software stuff, software engineering and stuff. There are only few people. Like if I take my college as an example, if you take n, like there is only n by 5 or n by 6 people getting into cybersecurity, like even less than that. Like what, I don't know what's the reason, like everyone goes to this software side. I don't know the reason, the programming and stuff side. Like there are many more things. I'm not saying that they will only settle in there. Like most of the people, what they do is like they go to software stuff and then they gain some experience and then they go to the cybersecurity side. Yeah, that's fine. But what happens is like but mostly what I had seen is like by default most people are not getting into that domain. Like there are and also what I observed is like most internships, okay, most internship doesn't offer you money as well in cybersecurity. I don't know why. But yeah, like India is like still there is lot of time. Okay, but what happens is like you can earn a lot of money if you're doing good in bug bounties, or if you're making teaching stuff. Like take example as me. So I post content on this channel, so from YouTube I get some money, and then from what you call from courses I make, or from what you call these like sessions like workshops etc, like that, you can make money. Like it is job is not only the source of income. Like there are many income, many ways. I'm interested in the teaming. Concurrently I'm preparing for OCP, but it is somewhat hard to understand active directory exploitation. Can you give some tips? Even I'm not good in active directory, Rohit, so I need to expand my skills. Can you make a WhatsApp group and we can join? No, there is nothing like that. See, what happened is like there are a lot of people, like even 5,000 people are there, over 5,000 people are there. If I create a WhatsApp group or if I share my number, it's going to be a mess for me. So you can, what you can do is like you can simply join my Discord server. So Discord is like you can share, it's also same, something same like group. So you can go there. Can we expect videos on AD and AD expedition, bro? Not right now, but it takes some time, Rohit. Like it might take some time. I don't know. Uh, your first bounty. My first bounty is an OTP bypass stuff. It is a pretty cool thing. So what I did is like there is no server side what you call verifications. Only client side verification is going on. I already made video on that as well. Like in that same OTP bypass stuff, I reported like 3 to 4, more than 4 things. I'm not sure the number. Some got rewarded and some doesn't. Yes, and Telegram also no need, guys. Like this thing is fine. Like Discord is fine for me. Like I don't want to create any Telegram or like that. See, I'm having my Discord server with over 500 people, and I'm not even getting time to see what's happening there. See, that's what happening. So like I don't want to create more mess. Okay, if you are having any doubts, you can join my Discord. See, Discord is also simple. Like there is no private or anything like that. You can share your questions. If anyone of us know the solution for that, will help, or else you can check somewhere else. Is it good to ask money for boss during the internship? See, it depends. It depends on the company policy. See, while you're joining a company, you need to look for the terms and conditions. Okay, terms and conditions. Like there will be a document kind of thing, like whether you should ask or what is the program for this type and etc. Like that. Okay, if you accepted that, which states that there won't be any money provided, then you need to reconsider. Okay, why once you join it, you can't try to change their terms. Okay, like these software or corporate companies go by their terms and conditions. Okay, you need to read them properly. I think BTech cybersecurity and other cybersecurity degree is not worth during doing an like it depends. Like see, not everyone can go to abroad and do do BTech, right? It costs some money, so you need to consider both. uh, to give some tips to avoid burnouts in the sense like try to focus on different stuff. Let's assume that you're not getting something, a kind of thing, like focus on other stuff. Like if you take something like me, if I do boxing, like during some those kinds of thing, like I avoid that. Okay, I give some break and then I'll revert back. Okay, answer my question. I haven't seen it. I want to do cyber security Should I do cybersecurity college? See, I'm also not sure. I can't answer that, Shamit, because the reason is even I completed my degree right now, a BTech degree right now, and I can't answer those questions. Like there is a lot of stuff going on in this infosec community. Like some people say that you don't need a degree or CS degree or anything in order to get job, but some say it is necessary. Like I should go in, I should dig deep into this stuff. So we can do stuff. So yes, any more questions or anything like that you can post, or which language to learn first for cyber security? Preference is like Shamit, you can learn any language. Any language is perfectly fine. So, but if you take like a normally what you can learn is like C or Java in first place. The reason why I'm mentioning Java is like it covers OOPS concepts, object oriented programming, and also it's a programming language. Like if you learn Java in the first place, almost all the programming part will be done. Which one is the best and which will be the best in future, CH or EJPT? CH consists of what you call two parts. One is CH practical. So I would recommend CH practical, guys, because it is like good practical stuff. Like I don't recommend normal CH and C exam because it is normal MCQs, guys. Like what you can do is like you can simply read the dumps and you can get into that. That's fine. But this practical exam is literally cool because like it is same like I think 3 hours or 6 hours of time, and then you'll be given 20 questions, and then some network. A network consists of a Ubuntu machine, Windows 8, a Windows server, etc., like that, and you need to answer some few questions. So if you want to, you can go there. Like what happened is like this CH practical, like in offer you can get it for like $100, like 6,000 or 7,000 rupees, below 8,000 rupees only. So once do check that out, okay. But CH ANSI is like literally costly, guys. Like I don't know the reason also. But CH practical is fine. Like you can gain some experience and even it will be good certification for you. For from which college you got your degree, bro? I'm eagerly waiting to join in BTech. Uh, Still I haven't got my degree yet. I just completed my BTech. That's it. Should I go to KLCP? KLCP, I don't know what it is. I need to check. Kali Linux Certified Professional, I think so. Sorry. Yeah, Kali Linux Certified Professional. I don't know much regarding this exam. I don't know much regarding this exam. I don't know. So I can't answer this question. Sir, from where have you have learned hacking? See, you can find out a lot of stuff on what you call YouTube. You can find a lot of stuff, and on you can read some blogs, etc., like that. That's fine. Yeah, CH practical is cheaper. Like if anyone is looking forward to do certification, CH practical is a good go, because like see, even you miss the scholarship, like there is offer going on, Rohit. So like I got it for like $150. Like I got it for like $100 for the scholarship, but some of my friends wrote that for like $150. Like there is some offer going on, you need to check your mails, okay, from EC council. So $150 is also nothing. Like you get like 7K, it will be like 9K or thing like that. Can we expect any scholarship from CH practicals this year? I don't know. But I don't know, like in 2021, 2020, I think so. I don't know exact year, but there was some mass scholarships that are provided by CH. Okay, like most of the people completed the CH practical during that time, and that's fine. Yes, you can. Still any more questions, guys? I will be happy to answer. I thought to play this NahamCon, but I was a bit busy and I haven't done that. I done CH theory. That's why they gave me practical scholarship. Like yes, some got like that, and some even got uh like I think there is some form. I think so. I don't know the exact process. I don't remember the exact process. Like they fill some stuff out there, and some got the scholarship. Like that's fine. So they got it for like cheapest price. So yeah. Yes, LinkedIn. Yeah, I like LinkedIn was like on fire during those days. Do you guys really use LinkedIn? Like, I don't even use LinkedIn, guys. I haven't even updated anything there. Like, I don't know why I'm having it as well. Like, I just upload this content. Like, whenever I post video, I just post it out there. That's it. I don't use this much. uh but what happened is like it is corrupt. It is like mostly like spoiled. I can feel it like there is only good side of the LinkedIn, but there are some bad side as well for the normal people. Yes, yes, you can find out some good stuff on LinkedIn. But I used to have app on my mobile phone, but it uninstall it because like only can only see the success stories. Like, not everyone are good at everything, right? So from hunting bugs and I found three. They are informational and I'm hunting using the Google Docs. Yeah, cool, Shivaraja. Like during the initial phase, everyone goes through that. Okay, like like from your first vulnerability, you can get like what you call like some money or like crazy amount of money. But like sometimes it is dupes. My first vulnerability is a dupe. My second vulnerability is also dupe. Like you need to go on. You need to go on. Okay, so at some point you'll definitely find stuff. You need to be creative, guys. Like the best way you can be creative is like there are some blogs. So whenever a person report a vulnerability, so most of them write some blogs. And like there will be some new kind of what you call creativity in order to find out that vulnerability. You can do read them out and you can do apply them. If they work, it's fine. Okay, like read more blogs on cyber on this bug bounty and stuff so that it will be more useful. Okay, so yeah, any more questions or anything like that, I'll be happy to answer. uh, I'm intermediate in CTF, but I found bug bounty boring. I don't know why. See, what happens in CTF is like there is a goal for you in CTF. Like if you start here, you need to go there. Like you need to capture the flag and you need to submit. But in bug bounty, there is no direction. Like you're just like you're of leaving an arrow. Okay, with no point. Okay, it goes endlessly. Like in middle, you might find some stuff from some vulnerabilities in bug bounty. You might not. Okay, it is like a, as I told you, as an arrow with no destination. Okay. So and also, guys, hi Ismail. What is the best way to crack Wi-Fi? Handshake, Aircrack NG does the thing, and also Hashcrack. Hashcrack also is fine. I use Hashcrack mostly because it is integrated with the GPU of your system. Like if you can run that on, if your system is having a good GPU, you can do your stuff pretty quickly. I think there are many more tools, uh, Jay. But what through my personal experience, in order to crack not only a Wi-Fi hashes or handshake, any hashes, you need to have a good word list. Without word list, like even though you use the most powerful tool or the most powerful GPU, you can't even get near to what's the password is. You need to create word lists. Okay, creating as many word lists which is relevant is a good thing. Okay, where can we practice latest bugs and increase experience in bug bounty? There is Pentester Lab, I think so. Okay, so in Pentester Lab, I think it's good. Like there are some free labs and stuff. You can go there and you can use that. Okay. What is the website to get started with bug bounty? Like, see, there is something like to get started with, but there is something called as NCAAPC. So you might all know that. Just a minute. Platforms. Yeah, NCAAPC is like what is the benefit of this particular thing is like you can report vulnerabilities in the Indian government websites. Like you can take something like which are of subdomains of gov.in. Okay, you can report any vulnerability which is subdomain of gov.in to them. So you can mail them, and if it is a valid thing, they will like they don't give you money, but it is easy. Like what happened is, like I recommend most of the beginners to start with this. Like I heard some few other people saying that, so that's the reason I'm recommending that. Like you can hunt on these gov.in websites, like without any pressure or anything like that. You can report them, that's fine. Okay, so in order to get that, you can go to google.com, and then you can add a dark site colon gov.in. You can add this particular dark, and then you can hunt on these government websites. Okay, but best place to learn black box testing, hack the box. Hack the box is better for the black box testing. Yes, I know there are many chances in India. Yes, you can, like there are plenty of stuff. Like there is no dupes or anything like that. I reported like 20 or 30. I don't know. Like I report frequently to them. I don't know whether they will fix it or not, but I report them. That's it. Sure. And for the evil twin attack, which is the best option rather than Fluxion? I think I made a video on that. I can do check that out, Jay. So I made a video on that evil twin attack. So we'll go there to evil twin attack. So yeah, here's the thing. So I'm posting the link for that, Jay. You can do check that out. So this video is not related to Fluxion. Okay, so Fluxion is discontinued, I think so. Like there were like I used the tool while I started my like the cybersecurity journey, but now it is like gone, I think so. But what happens is like in my experience, mostly these evil twin attacks work. They'll definitely work, guys. Trust me. So like until or unless like the target you're choosing is like a good guy in cyber security, it might not work. But most of the times it work. And yes, any question, guys? Like we'll end the stream at 7:30. Because we all know what's going to happen. Like we'll watch the match, and we can go and watch the match, IPL match. Okay, any way to install Kali tools in Ubuntu, and a way that we can update those tools easily. I don't want them to install manually or update them manually. So what you need to do is like you need to add Kali Linux repositories to your etc/apt. Okay, so once you do that, you can update them. That's normal thing. There any alternative to URL probe? As when I tried to enumerate subdomains, but there were some subdomains which were not working. uh URL probe, even I use URL probe, I think it's working fine, but I don't know Sirius. But yes, I'll do some research and I'll do let you know. Okay, so once ping me on Discord, so I'll do post the what you call that regarding that stuff. Okay. So any more questions, guys? Like still we're having 15 minutes. We can wind up the session in 15 minutes. So if you have any questions or anything like that, do let me know. And also, guys, like good for CTF, like hack the box machines. See what is my personal experience with the this WSL2 is like. See, my Windows machine has a kind of antivirus, okay, which is Kaspersky. What happened is like whenever you try to install some stuff like Metasploit or anything like that through the WSL, so this antivirus gets turned on and it create a lot of mess. So like WSL is fine, okay, is fine. Like I'm not against it, but according to my use case, uh, it is not fine for me. But yes, if you are not having any of these antiviruses and stuff, like if you don't bother about what's going to happen or anything like that, then WSL will do fine. Okay, you can install all the stuff using WSL, like normal Ubuntu or Kali Linux, and then you can do stuff. uh, few people, like there are many people. Okay, there is Tom Nom Nom and Hamsek. Like I can't remember their exact names, but don't know. um, Tom Nom Nom is one good guy. DC Cybersec, uh, and don't know, like there are many people, like I don't remember them, but I'll like you can follow topics for you can follow topics on bug bounty or cybersecurity, or you can add into few lists so that you don't need to follow everyone. You'll get the content. I use virtual machines for hacking. Sir, is rate limit a vulnerability? Do I get any bounty? No. What happened is, like there used to be vulnerability, like you need to escalate that. Okay, so I'll tell you a small trick there. Let us assume that there is no rate vulnerability there, and let us assume there is an OTP or verification kind of thing there. Okay, so what happens is, like when there is no rate vulnerability, you can simply try to brute force the OTP. Okay, like you need to try to escalate that. Like if you simply mention no rate vulnerability, they won't even like uh, look what you wrote about. But you need to escalate it. Like you need to transfer that over OTPs or verification. Or what happened is, like I reported a vulnerability, guys. It is really cool. See, there is like a forgot password, right? How many of you know forgot password? Like whenever you forget some password, when you click on that, you will get a link to your mail, right? I found a no rate. I reported a no rate vulnerability there. What happened is, like I used it. I sent the same request for like 100 times, and I got the same password reset mail for the 100 times. Like what happened is, like during those period, like I did a small kind of DOS attack, a DOS attack on that particular mail server. Okay, like you need to escalate that. No rate limit. Rate limit is like it's like dead kind of thing, but you need to escalate that. Okay, so that is how you can uh, do stuff. Like there are there are many reports, or many blogs, serious. Okay, you can do read them, you can get creative with those, and you can do stuff. I didn't get feel. Okay, yeah, but you can use dual boot will be fine. Even I used to have the same problem. Like I used to have a dual boot, but I removed that because, like with Windows update, the BIOS or this grub bootloader used to make a lot of nonsense, so I removed that. But VMware is fine for me. Sure, Shamit, sure. Any more questions, guys? Like it's fine. Like till we are having 10 minutes or so. Any questions or anything like that, you can feel free to ask, or any suggestions to the future videos or anything like that, you can feel free to ask. And also, guys, like do you really like the content that I'm making? Like not the cyber security, like I know people like those tools and stuff, but I recently made a video on I don't know, but yeah, Android security. Like I'm trying to do some videos on normal stuff as well. So I think this week I'll post a video on how evil the Xiaomi the Redmi. So yes, like there are some reports kind of thing. Okay, where Xiaomi was caught doing some stuff that you don't want to know, but I'll try to showcase them. Like I'll try to make videos on those topics as well. uh, I'm from India, Andhra Pradesh. Which is your favorite vulnerability? IDORs, I can call IDORs, or cross-site scripting also. Like what happens is, like when I'm trying to do some, like when I'm learning, like, example, when I'm learning for cross-site scripting, I'll only hunt on that particular stuff. So I like during that time. Uh, Videos on OS top 10 vulnerabilities. Sure. Will you be making any websites where you will be showing like a live demo of bug bounty hunting? I'll sure purchase your course. No, right now I'm not having anything. Which is best, VMware or VirtualBox? I go with VMware, Siva, because it's like more convenient for me rather than VirtualBox. Like I faced a lot of issues. Like you can see, most of the people face issues with VirtualBox compared to that of VMware. So that's fine, but for me, like VMware is absolutely fine. I really love that because like the integration and everything with the operating system is fine in VMware. Like personal opinion, like some might like VirtualBox, that's fine, but personally I like VMware. That does my job. You can see it is attached to my taskbar as well. You can see that. So I use it to have VirtualBox during. Sure. I'll make dedicated videos on those. So Log4j is like a kind of vulnerability. So I'll try to be short and simple. So Log4j, if you take Java, in Java there is something called as logging. So whenever, like logging in the sense, like let us assume that you wrote a program. Okay, so like a big program. Okay, so it needs to log the stuff, like at this particular time this guy got in, this guy had done this, like stuff like that. So this particular log4j is kind of vulnerability. What happened is like the attacker remotely injected some command there, or a code or anything like that. See what happens is like whenever that particular stuff is going into that log, okay, the logbook or anything like that, it used to give the shell to that guy. Okay, so that is what happening in the log4j. Like it is related to Java. Like almost all the Java devices were vulnerable. Like almost all the devices which are running on Java were vulnerable during that time. But if you are using the latest version, like I think Java 17, I think so. Uh, it's fine. No, it's not. How kind of stuff, I think so. Okay, but most of the people use Android. Sorry, Java 8 and like that. See that there will be a problem then. Okay. So, yes, guys, any questions or anything like that, I'll be happy to answer you. Yes, any more questions, guys? Like, still there is 8 more minutes, so we'll try to wind up the session. So, let's be quick because it is Sunday. Let's take break today. Okay. Yes, that's fine. So thank you for so much of your information. I'm waiting for detailed video. I might not make it serious because, like, yes, I'll, if there is possible, I'll definitely do. Okay, like if you want to dig deep, there is a box in TryHackMe which is named as log4j. So you can simply dive in, you can simply do the stuff there. Like you'll get the practical part as well if you want to. Okay, like try to, guys, anyone who is learning this stuff, like try to go with something like what you call practical part. Go to the practical part, and if you take this try hack me, like I find like many rooms or boxes, you can call anything, which are related to the new vulnerabilities as well. Like this dirty pipe vulnerability related thing is there. There is many more stuff. Like it is not all about uh, black box and white box pen testing. Try hacking is really doing good job there, and really appreciate them, and that's the reason I prefer more. I'm using try hacking subscription right now, but even hack the box is fine, but try hack me is what like I feel good. Okay, thank you. Any more questions, guys? We'll wind up the session in 6 more minutes. In 6 minutes, so be quick with your questions so that we can end up the session. So yeah. Last one, which one is better, Ports Figure Lab or Try Hack Me? See, Ports Figure Lab is for mostly for this bug bounty part, but Try Hack Me you find like uh everything. You can go with some pen testing, you can go with some bug bounty, you can do some Active Directory part. Like Try Hack Me is everything, but the best part with the Ports Figure Labs are like they are free. Okay, they are free. So if you are like if you want to go like deeply into this what you call this bug bounty or web application penetration testing site, Portswigger Lab will do your work. Okay, that's fine. That will be fine for you. So yes, like everything has their own purpose. Like it, one is free and one is like you need to pay like $10, like 700, 400, 700. I don't know exactly in Indian rupees. Like this like this US dollar value is like changing every time. Like when I see it now, it will be like 78. When I see it tomorrow, it will be like 80. U USD to INR. Let's see what's the price. It's like 76 rupees. When I seen it, like I don't know, goes up, it goes down like that. Okay, that's fine. So any more questions or anything like that, guys, you can feel free to ask me. That will be so that it will be bit time consuming. And also, guys, if you want to like go in, like if you want to be part of my community, you can check out my Discord. The link is in the description below. Yeah, even IPL time no. So that's the reason I'm trying to wind up the session at 7:30. So yes, yes, guys, thank you're welcome, and sending love from India as well. Yeah, Portswigger labs, they are labs. Okay, it is not about reporting vulnerabilities. Okay, it is about lab. We can test, we can practice there. So hello, Faisal, bro. Yeah, hello, Nikhil, hello. Yeah, I'm fine, Nikhil, bro. I hope you're also doing good. Uh, क्यों पहने Pandi, bro. Yeah, yeah. Like there are many more. I'm trying to do like different series, Nikhil, bro. Like I'm trying to make videos on like there is video coming this week on what you call this thing, on the Xiaomi, like Xiaomi phones. Like there is some bad record with the Xiaomi MIUI. So MIUI in the sense it is like an Android skin. Like I don't want this channel only going towards this cyber security. I want to make some videos on some normal part. Like I want to do videos on laptops and all this stuff which is bit related to cyber security only. Okay, I hope you really like that. What do you do in your free time? I do everything what you do. uh so yes, guys, any more questions or anything like that, I'll be happy to answer. uh but we are like at the end, so till there is 2 more minutes. Okay, so we can wind up the session and we can go and watch IPL. So 40 minutes, that's fine. No, I haven't. Most probably I will. Okay, most probably I will in like this 2022 or is networking knowledge important? So yes, you need to have networking knowledge. It's definitely important. Like if you take the structure of cybersecurity, it starts with networking. It is like networking and also cryptography. These are like ABCs. Okay, like they are definitely important for you, and then you can go into this cyber security part. Networking is definitely important, whether you take forensics or anything. There is networking involved somewhere, so networking is damn important. So I think that is it, guys, for today. Really thank you for. Should I do Competia A plus? I think it is beginner stuff. I think so. CCNA is related to networking. A plus is like it completes everything. I think so. Like it covers everything. I think so. Yeah, A plus. But let's see what it consists of, and I'll do let you know. It is and see there is a lot of difference. Like this particular thing only consists of like IT stuff, like networking, like normal part. But this particular CCNA is on completely about network plus or CCNA. A network plus will be fine. Tell me your study schedule. I don't know. Like whenever I feel I want to study, I'll study, or else I won't. Network plus will be cheaper also. Like the benefit with the CompTIA certifications is like they are like cheaper, like they are affordable. But if you take CCN or anything like that, if your college is affording, like they're affording for you, then you can go ahead. Like if you are going with your own money, a network plus will do the job. Okay, yes, guys, that is it. If you are having any more questions or anything like that, do mention them. I'll be extending this session for like 7 till 7:35. So till we are having 4 minutes. So if you are having any questions or anything like that, do mention it ASAP. Or like if you missed this, no problem. So you can mention those in the Discord. I'll do answer them. No problem. Okay. So So yes, guys. Any more questions? 3 more minutes we are having. That's fine. Yeah. Bye, Shamit. We'll meet again in the next live session, which is scheduled on Sunday only, at mostly at 6:40 or 7 p.m. So yeah, we'll meet again. So any more questions, or we'll end up the session. So I think that's pretty much. So really thank you guys for joining my stream today. Like thank you for spending your time here. I hope you spent your time properly. I think so. Like I hope I answered your questions. So hi Raja, hi, hello. I had answered your questions, and if I have missed any of them, you can answer. You can ask them again on my Discord. So I'll answer there. So that is it, guys, for today's video. Do you know anything about HCL cybersecurity? No, I don't know. Don't know much about that, Raja. So that is it, guys, for this video or this stream. So we'll meet again on the next Sunday live stream, and tomorrow I'll upload a normal video, and then on Thursday I'll upload some good content, some interesting content as well. So that is it, guys, for today. Bye, take care, good night.